All right, everyone, let's do part 6. So I'm going to rename this part 6 for the instruction purpose. You don't have to do anything. Okay, so let's save it here. And then go to Save As. And I'm going to put label it part 6 so I remember what each part. Just for it, your name, I only require you to put P5 underscore, first name, last name, initial, complementary color scheme. That's it, right? Let's label it. So to label it, we will need to access T tool. So you go to click T right here, the big T, you can't miss it, right, on your toolbox, or you hit T for type. And then you will immediately, you see that is under your property, there's a section called character box. Okay, you can access your type here, but I don't want to access my type there because it run out my screen. I would rather do it up here in the top, on the top of your screen. There's the word type. On the main, we call this main menu, type, and then we go font, and then I will look for something that sans serif. So font, I will go with Helvetica. You know why? Or Futura, because those are very famous font, and you won't have it available unless you pay for it. So might as well take advantage of this. So I'm gonna go with Futura. I love Futura. Before I type anything, I look down here in my character box. I want to increase the size to 48. And I will click in the middle right here. In the middle. Okay. See 48. I would put in, you can either do it all lowercase because this is a design, right? You are allowed to not follow your English with pronouns, but you must not misspell. It's embarrassing we misspell. So complementary scheme, okay? You don't even have to say colors because it's color. And then you use selection tool. You can put it somewhere here, like that. See that? It's very simple. What else you want to do with it is up to you, but at least put a label. And then the next thing you want to do is go back to your tool, but we're gonna deselect. Okay, select T tool again. You're gonna put your name. So use Filtra. Don't use anything more than just one font. One font, if you do it well, it's more than enough. Okay, Filtra is sans serif. I will go over and review what that is. What sans serif? What is serif? I'm gonna do medium, and let's do 12 or 14. And I click somewhere down here in the middle, and I will type my name. Now, I'm not going to type my nickname, okay, because it's not official. And then I use my move tool. I can even move it here. Now, if my name looks too small, I'm going to scale it up. Let's say 24 and put it on a more appropriate spot. So what is appropriate? You decide, okay? As an artistic person, you decide. So I put it there just for fun. And then I turn the color to something fun. Let's say, no. Let's just have fun, not green because green is too close to black. Let's do red for now, okay? Even a little bit, something like that, okay? Just for fun. You see? You have a lot of fun with presentation. I'm looking for creativity. Label has to be accurate, okay? Now, I'm going to go with the same font, but go back to black again. So go black to black. And then I will click here on the very top. And then I put it down yellow. Too big, right? Select. Switch back to 14. Deselect. Put yellow. Now, this is wonderful. Make a copy of yellow. Hold down Option key or Alt key. Click on yellow. Hold down Option or Alt. And then drag that yellow down here. So make a copy. Select the T tool again. Highlight yellow. And change it to violet. And hit Enter. You don't have to hit Enter. You see? If you make copy, they all look the same, right? Very, very cool. Now, select violet, hold down Alt or Option, move over here, make a copy, and change it to green, right? This time it become green. Select green, make a copy, go to the other side with Option key or Alt key, and change it to red. By the time you're done with this, you'll be super at color wheel. Select red, make a copy, move it over to blue. You see how I align them together? When you make a copy, you pay more attention at alignment. I'm gonna move blue out just a touch with my selection tool. Select blue, hold out Option and Alt, move to the orange and change it to highlight with T tool and change it to orange. Select, go to selection tool, hold out Option or Alt, go down here. Now, when you up to this point, you don't need to spell out orange. You can go actually start with so you can go to red orange, not orange red. Remember? So you highlight. You're gonna do red dash orange, and then you copy that. You can spell out, but I think spell it out at this point is too long. But we'll see. If you have space, why not, right? And then select red orange. Hold down Option or Alt, move on the other side, and make it you have to be blue first, right? Make it blue, blue green, right? So blue and green. All right, now I select blue green. I make a copy with my Option or Alt key and change this to red violet. So come here, red, and this is violet. And then I select violet, and then I hold out either Option key or Alt key and move to the top right here and go for yellow dash green, right? Now don't get it too close because it doesn't look good when you get it too close, right? Now make a copy with Option key or Alt key, come down here and change it to blue violet, not violet blue, okay? Always primary first. Blue violet. And then make a copy, hold on Option or Alt, and then make a copy and make sure it's aligned with the one on the other side. Watch for the alignment. Extra credit if you pay attention alignment. And this one would be yellow orange. Now we run into a tiny problem here. We have not enough space. When that happens, you select the word, hold down shift key, select the color wheel, select the label and move them further out. See that? And if that still don't work well, you have an option to move this one in the middle. Okay, so don't get confused. So I'm gonna move this down here, move this one in the middle. So, and then select, hold down shift, select the three together. Do not group them. I don't think group them is good. And then move them over here. You see how I do this? I make sure that they don't get confused. And I make sure that the three circle have to align. See that? So you can select the three circle. You're gonna go back to align tool. And you can do bottom align. See that? Vertical align bottom. And then you will move the label to go with the color. And that's, I think, look better presentation wise. See that? So you are an artist or designer and artist, pretty much okay. So so at this point you are done almost. Now if I see that my name doesn't look good, so I'm gonna use red, complement with green. Why not? I'm gonna change this to green. See? Oh my! Now it looks cooler, right? See what I'm doing? I'm taking advantage of you don't have to change color of everything because it looks like too much, right? But notice that my alignment looks pretty good. And at this point, you can hit save. So let's do 5 save. Make sure you save your work. Okay, so the work is saved. So recording for part 6 is done. I can go one more thing before I go is to go to select all on active artboard, and I move everything with my shift key held down to a little bit to the bottom, more center. See that? Beautiful. Deselect, go to view, fit all in window, fit all in window, fit art. View, fit artboard in window. Okay. So, and then I can just move the alignment down here, and then you can see that. Okay. Now, good job, guys. If you want, you should take a screenshot of your illustrator. If you're not finished today, take a screenshot and prove your teacher what you have been doing. If you're not finished and turn in your work, okay? Good job, everyone.